Hi everyone, this is Jom from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And to do so, we are making a number of YouTube videos on various softwares. Now, what we are going to learn today? So today we will work on Tekla structures, and in this video we will learn how to select objects in Tekla structures. So this is as easy as any other software. So the first and the basic method is to go over any object and click the mouse. So I have chosen the beam and click the left mouse button, so my beam is selected. Now the second method is by dragging it from the left to right. So if you do so, all the objects that are entirely covered in the box will be selected. The second method is by dragging it from the right to left. So in this method, all the objects that are either entirely in the box or either touching the border of the box will be selected. Now, if you want to deselect all the members, then all you have to do is to click anywhere on your workspace. Our fourth point is how you can add objects to the selected objects. So I will just select this column and then I will press the control button on my keyboard, and by left clicking on any of the member I can select it. Now what if you want to deselect some of the selected members? Then all you have to do is to press the control button and click on the member. Like I want to deselect this beam, so I will just hit the control button on my keyboard and click the left mouse button. Now let's come to the fifth point. So if you want to reverse your selection, then all you have to do is to hit the control button on your keyboard and drag your mouse from the left to right and select the whole model, and all the selected members will be deselected and all the deselected members will be selected. Like you can see over here, this column was selected previously, so it is deselected now. To verify, I will just repeat the process. So I will press the control button and drag my mouse over the model. Now let's come to the sixth and the last point of today's video. So you can use filters in your model to customize your selection. Like here I have a box and I can choose like concrete, and now if I will drag over my model, all the members that are made up of concrete will be selected. If I will go over here and choose for steel, then all the members that are made up of steel will be selected. Now you can also try it with beam, columns or slabs or whatever members are there in your model. Like I have chosen for the beam, so my beams will be selected. If I will choose for my column, then my columns will be selected. And if I will choose for the slab, then only my slabs will be selected. And if you want to make it as default, then all you have to do is to go over here and select a standard, and now your model will work in the way it was working previously. So that was all for today. You have learned how to select the members or objects in Tekla structures. You have learned 6 methods. First, by simple clicking the members, then by dragging from the left to right. Third, by dragging from the right to left. Fourth, you learned how to add objects to the selected members and how to deselect objects from the group of selected members. Fifth, you have learned how to reverse your selections, and sixth, how to use the filters. So that was all for today. Let me know on which topic in Tekla structures you want the next video. If you want to take professional trainings from us, then you can join our live online classes. You can find the details in the description. If you like this video, which I'm sure you will, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.